Hi there, and for this video, we're gonna show you how to get your X, or formerly known as Twitter, profile link on the mobile app. So right now we're on the landing page of X, which is normally our feed, and what you have to do is go and click on your profile icon on the top, go to profile, and normally you would have a share button here that looks like an arrow up going out of something, but in this case I have the three dots icon. If I click that, I can click on share and it will allow you to send to your other apps. But there is another method, and what you can do is go to a tweet. Let's say I have a sample tweet here, click on the share icon, copy the link, and let's go over to a browser and you can paste that over here. And all we have to do is remove everything until all that's left is your profile name. So once I hit enter, it will send us to our profile. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.